In this video, I will show you how you can enable and use guided access on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just scroll down and tap on Guided Access. Now just enable the toggle for guided access from here. After you do that, then just tap on Passcode Settings, then tap on Set Guided Access Passcode. And from here, just create a passcode for guided access. Just like that. Now just enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Now if you want to use your Face ID or Touch ID to enable or disable guided access, you can enable this toggle, or you can disable it and you can use the passcode instead. Now to enable guided access on your iPad, just go to your home screen and open any app in which you want to enable guided access. For example, I will set up guided access on the YouTube app. Now to enable guided access, just press the side button or the power button 3 times. After you do that, you will enable guided access on your iPad. But sometimes when you press the power button 3 times, the screen will shrink down and a button will appear at the upper right corner on the screen which says Start. Just tap on Start to enable guided access. And as you can see, guided access has been enabled on our iPad. And we are unable to leave this app. Just like that. Now to turn off guided access, just press the side button or the power button 3 times. After you do that, it will ask you to enter the passcode of guided access, or it will ask you to enter your Face ID or your Touch ID. And from here, as you can see, you can either resume guided access or you can end this session. If you want to customize guided access even more, you can tap on Session Settings, and from here you can enable or disable all these actions. You can enable or disable the top button. You can either enable or disable the volume buttons. From here, you can either enable or disable the motion, or you can enable or disable the touch of the screen. Now just customize guided access as you want. But if you want to turn off guided access, just select End over here. After you tap on End, you will disable guided access on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.